welcome grade 5. Today I'm explaining you how to work on MS Excel and why we use the MS Excel. We use MS Excel for the calculations, and these are called the cells, and this whole sheet is called the spreadsheet, and we can add as many as worksheets we want to add. There is a book name. This is the name of your spreadsheet. You will write any particular name, whatever the name you want to write. Okay, today I am explaining you how to use the basic calculation, or how to use the different formulas of auto sums and everything. Okay, I will let you know these are the columns and these are the rows. Every cell have a particular value. Right now it's selected, it's a B4. You can see this name of this cell is written over here. It's a B4. If I'm clicking on here, you can see it's a E column and the row is 6 and it's written over there. It's the name of this particular cell. Okay. Okay class, now I will explain you the function of concatenate, how you will find out. Concatenate, basically concatenate, they will combine the two different cells value and they will write in the one place. Just like this, Mahad and Atif is the name is Mahad and last name is Atif. You want the full name right here, Mahad Atif at a time. You can type, but it will take time if we have a lots of data, so we will use the formula. If there is an editing group in which we have a auto sum, click on it. There are more functions. You can go here and then you will use, then you will go in the text option and there is a concatenate. Then click OK. What you want to concatenate? Text 1. Where is the text 1? Text 1 is here. You will enter. Where is the text 2? The text 2 is here. You will enter. Can you see there they are showing you there is a no gap. So what we have to do, we have to add the gap now. So in the text 2 we will use the inverted commas space, then inverted commas is give the space. In the text 3 we will add Atif. Can you see now? It will show you the complete name Mahad Atif like this, and then we will drag it. It will autofill all the your options. This is the how we can use the function of a concatenate. Okay class, now we will find the full length of letters. How many letters are there? We will count. First of all, you have to click on it, then you have to go on this one, use more function, find out if it is in the recent, there is a len function. Not click on all, check L. It's a len function. Yes, select on it. Then what text you want to length of this one. I'm selecting it. It will give me the end. Okay, it will count. Mahad have a 10 letters, so I'll drag over here and you will get this. Okay. Okay class, now I will tell you how to use the function of a count. Similarly, we will go in editing group. There is the auto sum option. Click on this arrow. There are more functions. In my most recent, I have a count option. I will select on the count. They will ask the value from where you want to add or count. If we have a 1 or 2 value, we will just simply select and enter. It will count how many values are there. If we have more than one values like this, so first of all I will click on this one and drag like this. Press your mouse and then click like this. It will give you the column sign. It means they are counting from this letter to this cell to the particular E12 cell. So how many cells are used? It means they will count it. I'll click enter and then click OK. It will give you the answer. It will showing you the 8. We are showing you the 8. The 8 is not showing properly, so I am just setting the count font size, so it will show you count 8. Okay, now I will tell you how to use the multiplication or addition subtraction expression. In this total column we have this value, and I already told you that before how to use the how to make basically a formula. To use any function or formula we use equal sign first. What we want to do the total, I want the total will be the token and the present value, add the present value. Then I want a multiplication. For the multiplication I use the steric sign, multiply that particular answer with the bonus. That bonus will twice the uh, whatever the reward we have, it will give you the answer like this. Now you can see we will not apply on the other cell, we will not write like equal and each and everything. We want the same operation, simply select on it, you will see this plus sign like this, drag it and drop. You will see it will automatically fill the data. Now that's the end of today's lecture. Thank you very much. You will practice more. Okay, Allah Hafiz.